Dressing up without lipstick doesn't look good, but when you put on a light makeup, pair it with this full-on lipstick, it's just like the scene of a disaster, showing both old age and a sense of age. The key is to apply lipstick on lip lines and lips. In autumn, it is easy to pull out and peel off the skin, which makes our entire lip makeup very mottled. You play how to apply lipstick cleanly to reduce age, and it is versatile and good looking. Today, I will teach you how to have glass lips. Be sure to take the air cushion valve before applying lipstick. Cover up our original lip color. This is the best lipstick color. This one is gentle and shy. We adapted the previous application method and then only applied the inner side of the mouth and sipped it up and down. Then the fingertips are dizzy to the edge, so I need this kind of lip makeup with a lip makeup cloth that is stylish but boundless. It is the leaven color of our lips. Next, let's stack our same shade on the inside one half of our mouth. Squeeze your upper lip and apply lip makeup on the inside and outside. The most crucial step is this all match glass lip gloss, just layered on top of our matte glossy lipstick. Wow! Instant interpretation of lip lines, the whole lip makeup 3D cute to play the feeling of crystal lip jelly lips, and then the upper lip is a little more on our lip peak, and only our lip peak is applied. It's so pretty. Introducing cute elastic lip jade feels full of atmosphere. As a lip gloss, it is colorless and transparent, and it can be applied on top of our matte lipstick. Thousands of matte lipsticks can create the feeling of this crystal lip jelly lip, so that our mouths are moisturized all day long, translucent and shiny. Sisters, try it now.